The celebration, which brought in a number of people, is intended to create awareness among the public on the need to protect the environment and take good care of the existing sources of clean water so as to reduce on waterborne disease in the district. Honorable Andrew Richard Opeli, the Vice Chairman Local Council 5, who doubles as the Secretary for Works and Security, who was the chief guest during the occasion, said Moyo district has planned to drill 6 boreholes across the district so as to reduce on waterborne disease and improve on the access to clean water among the communities.
The district water department planned for water, and the government has given 6 boreholes to be drilled this financial year. So this is at the moment the stand of the district, but we are hoping for more boreholes.
Honorable Aleruto Maza, the Member of Parliament for West Moyo County, urged the community to observe good hygiene and drink clean water so as to avoid water-related diseases. He adds that the children need to be educated on good hygienic practices such as washing hands after visiting the toilets, among others, so as to reduce on disease burden in the communities.
Being a World Water Day and being a day for awareing people about healthy living in a healthy environment, I call upon the population to observe hygiene and make sure they always use clean, safe drinking water. If they must boil water and put some chlorine in the water, and make sure the children wash their hands when they are feeding, and also educate their children and tell them that whenever they go to the toilet, they must come out and wash their hands so that they don't contract diseases.
Mr. Gore Goffin, the resident district commissioner Moyo, said the country is faced with the challenge of climate change, and this therefore requires critical thinking on ways of conserving the environment and sustaining the available sources of clean water. He implored the public to always plan for water as they are setting up their homes, since the government is considering the abolition of drilling boreholes. Therefore, people should think of getting connected to the piped water system and make good use of water so as to eliminate waterborne diseases in the country.
As you know that water is very essential. We as a country, we are facing challenges of climate change. Therefore, it is very, very important for us to rethink about our strategies of conserving, sustaining, and using water. We need to, as a country, devise means, because we have been having boreholes, shallow wells, but now with the changes in climate, I think we need to go into piped water systems in our homes. So I want to ask everybody, even as you're building your home, as you're building your house, you need to think about water. Water must be part of your plans.
Mr. Moko Stephen, the Assistant District Health Officer in charge of environmental health, said over 12,000 people in the district still engage in open defecation, which is one of the main causes of contamination and high disease burden in the district. He therefore urged the public to embrace good hygiene so as to reduce on the disease burden in the district.
Statistically, in Moyo district, we have a population of 116,400 as per last year's population, and out of this, 851 persons are using latrine. 12,549 are defecating out. This is a very big number that normally contaminates the whole water source.
Mr. Nyanzo Raymond, the district water officer Moyo, urged all the stakeholders and the public to do their part in ensuring there is access to clean water and good hygiene in their communities, saying the issue of clean water and good hygiene is everyone's responsibility, not to be left on the district alone.
My key message for this World Water Day is for us to play our parts. Every stakeholder should play their part. Water is not only there for one person, it is for everybody. It's a collective action. Yes, the district may be in charge of making the water visible, but what happens to the visible water is parts and parts of the community. The community must take care of their water sources.
The World Water Day is a day put aside globally to create awareness on access to clean water and the conservation of the environment amidst the changing climatic conditions for a healthy living. The day is celebrated every year globally under different themes so as to provide information and fight against waterborne diseases which has silently claimed lots of lives. This year's World Water Day was celebrated under the theme Rethinking Collective and Innovative Solution to Water, Environment and Climate Change Crisis in Uganda. I'm Dominic Anthony Okumu for West Nile TV, Nilecast.